Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this trending Vogue post edit in the CapCut mobile. So first, just add your videos, and in this case, I'm using 3 videos like this. And after that, split the clip into 2. So you need to split the clips to where you want to make the post. Okay, I'm going to split in here. For example, click on split. Now on the split it clip or on the second part of the clip, find freeze, this one, and here just delete the clip that you don't use. On the freeze frame here, just trim it into the duration that you like. I'm going to go with 1 second, and after that you can just do the same with the entire clip. So split it and trim it. Okay, so I've already split the entire clips, and after that just select the frozen frame, this one, the one with 1 second, and then just go to filter or go to adjust, click on filters and just select the filter that you want, but I'm going to use this Oppenheimer filter to around 50. Click on a check icon and just do the same with the entire frozen frame. Okay, I've already applied the filter to all of the frozen frame, and after that you need to add the Vogue logo into the frozen frame. So I'm going to add it as overlay. Add overlay. I am using this Vogue logo from Google. Just trim it into 1 second like the frozen frame. Go to blend or splice. Now select filter like this, adjust the position and just duplicate it and put it on the other frozen frame. Okay, so the editing is done and this will be the result. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye.